war has been declared for April 17th, Saturday night in Mineola, Florida. It's WXW Wrestling, the Extreme War. 30 of the best, the brightest, the most hungry superstars will enter that ring. 29 will fall. Only one stands tall to win the war and go on May 8th to challenge WXW Wrestling Champion Chico Adams for the richest prize in all of pro wrestling. And that's not all that night. Your women's champion, Marina Tucker, she has said she is the best in the state of Florida, but is she the best in the world? WXW Wrestling brings in the Chilean superstar, Roma, to challenge for the World Women's Championship. And the Women's Tag Team Championships are on the line. Roxy Rose, Raven will defend against the former champs, the Go Hard Life Twins. Can they get those titles back? And we have one more time. The match that nearly tore apart the City Hall last month was the Notorious VIN, challenged by the New Yorican D. Ramos for the Television Championship. They've got one more to settle the score. Will the building even be standing at the end of that war? So much and more. We've got great superstars. Kekoa the Hawaiian Warrior, Joey Osborne, Jackson Blade returns. Who else will be part of the war? You will when you buy your tickets at WXWWrestling.com and be at Mineola for Ground Zero, April 17th.